What's up guys, welcome to Instant Support Lab. So today we'll be discussing about free softwares and tools that are essential for your simple day-to-day work. First we'll talk about Format Factory, a tool for almost all file types out there. We know we need to use files and convert files as well. When you need to convert files, something like video file to another video type, audio type to another audio type, pictures, anything. This Format Factory is a free software that we can use for almost all file types out there and convert it to any other file type. We'll install this and let's check this out. Okay, you can download Format Factory from pcfreetime.com website. This is free software and you can download it from here. Okay, this is the interface of Format Factory, and we'll check what we can do with Format Factory. This marks is for video and audio join, and video join is we can join two video files, and in the audio section we can see audio joiners and lots of file types and picture files and documents as well, ISO and utilities. Okay, let's check one file type. I'm going to take a picture and convert it to icon file. So I'll take this one and add file. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to convert this. And we can change the settings. Okay, I'm going to check output folder, and here we got the icon file. Okay, you can download Format Factory for free and try it out and experiment it yourself. Next software is Free Download Manager. You can download direct downloads, torrents, magnet links, even YouTube videos with this software without a problem. You can go to freedownloadmanager.org, as you can see here, and download this software for free. And it's also available for Windows and Mac. So I'm going to download it. So we'll check what is this. And I have installed Free Download Manager already, and I have turned on. So this is the interface. So we'll check and download a video with Free Download Manager and download. So you can download all sort of downloads with Free Download Manager, and it's really easy and it's free to download. Next software we are going to talk about is 7ZIP. It's a free software to access your compressed files and archives. You know that new file explorer can access to zip files and ISO files, but you still cannot access to RAR files. So this is where 7ZIP comes in handy. You can download 7ZIP from 7-zip.org website. It's free to download and you can download it here, and I'm going to download it using Free Download Manager. So I downloaded 7ZIP and I'm going to install it like this, and it's simple as that. So as you can see, I'm going to compress one file, two files, add to archive, and here are some settings, and we can change lots of settings. You can experiment them yourself, and I'm going to press OK, and you get the archive. It's 7ZIP and almost all the compressed files out there. Okay, that's it for 7ZIP. You can download it and experiment yourself. Next one is not actually a software, it's a service given by Google. We have Office package in our PC. If you don't have an Office package, you don't have to worry about that. You can use Google Docs, Shades and Slides. It's a free tool, free service. You can use wherever you are through your mobile or desktop. Whatever it is, you can use it for free. It's cross-platform and it's real easy. We'll give it a check. First, I'll check about Google Docs, and here is my interface. I'm going to get a blank page. You can use this as normal Word software, and it's synchronized with all your devices, so you can access it wherever you are. So this is Google Docs, and we can also use Google Shades and also Slides. These all have almost same interface as Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint. And this is it about Google Docs, Shades and Slides. You can go through it and experiment yourself, and you can find new things, and you can let us know by commenting below. Next software we are going to talk about is Specky. It's a small but really helpful software that will help you to learn about your PC, what's inside it, and manufacturer of every device inside it, and live data such as temperature, clock rate as well. So you can download this software from ccleaner.com for free, So we'll give it a quick look. So I'm going to install this software. So I have installed Specky. Let's give it a quick look. This is about my PC. This is the summary of my computer. So we can see CPU, RAM, motherboard, graphic card, storage, optical drives, operating system, all about operating system, CPU, so peripheral devices, optical, everything. So this is a really good software, so you can install it and you can try it yourself. That is it for today's video. Smash the like button if you liked the video, comment below if you have anything to share or ask, subscribe the channel for more videos, and don't forget to click on bell icon as well.